eToro Europe Crypto App. The pros, the cons. The eToro Europe Crypto app is known for combining social trading with cryptocurrency access, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a social network for trading. The surprising truth is that eToro lets you trade, invest, and copy other traders in real time, all within a fully regulated European environment. On the pros side, eToro supports a variety of cryptocurrencies and allows users to invest with low minimum deposits. Its unique Copy Trader feature lets beginners replicate the trades of experienced users, which can be a fast way to learn. The app is regulated in Europe, offers strong security measures like two-factor authentication, and integrates fiat deposits via bank transfer, credit cards, or PayPal. It's beginner-friendly and offers a clear overview of your portfolio. On the cons side, trading fees are higher than many dedicated crypto exchanges, especially for withdrawals. The selection of cryptocurrencies, while decent, is smaller than that of platforms focused purely on crypto trading. Advanced traders may also find the charting tools and order types limited. In conclusion, the eToro Europe Crypto app is perfect for beginners and investors who want to combine social trading with regulated crypto access. While fees are higher and options are somewhat limited, the convenience, educational tools, and copy trading features make it a compelling choice for European users.